Hi, I'm Gareth Davis, Chair of the British Chamber of Commerce Thailand. How can SMEs find success in Thailand? Startups and enterprises face several challenges when setting up and operating in Thailand. In addition to navigating a complex regulatory landscape, SMEs also need to make the right business connections. It can be hard to know where to start when meeting future partners and potential customers. Here at the British Chamber, the majority of our members are SMEs, which means that we are continuously looking for better ways to drive their success. If you're looking to build credibility and amplify your brand, the Chamber offers our members the chance to speak at seminars and workshops. We also increase your audience reach by promoting our members on our social media channels. This includes an offer for each of our new members to shoot a video sharing your unique insights for free. You'll also get access to a variety of Chamber events where you'll have the chance to connect with leading companies, fellow SMEs, potential customers, and even government officials from Thailand and the UK. The SME Working Group holds regular meetings to discuss current issues and how we can better support our SME members. These meetings give everyone the chance to directly voice their concerns and let us know what kind of help they need. Our Executive Director, Greg Watkins, is also happy to provide personal introductions to any of our members. If you're interested in joining our network of businesses, visit our website or reach out to me today.